Welcome to Yummy's Kitchen. Good day, everyone. Today is March 19th, a feast of Saint Joseph, or Fiesta de San Jose. And this day in Spain, they prepare a special dessert in honor of Saint Joseph, Crema de Catalan, or in French, they have the Creme Brulee. And the Italian also has the Zeppola di San Giuseppe. It's a pastry with cream. This is quick to make, delicious, and I'm showing you now how quick is that to make. One more. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment, share, and press the notification button to keep an update of a new video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye.